Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by checking the device most likely signed into Apple. Once you have it unlocked, open Settings on iPhone/iPad or System Preferences on Mac. Tap or click your name at the top. That area displays the Apple ID email. If nothing appears, move to the Accounts or iCloud section and look for the email field. Make sure you note the full address including domain. If you're prompted for a password, stop and use the recovery options next. Once done with device checks, use Appleid. Apple. Com from a browser and choose Sign in Help. Enter your full name and known email addresses or phone numbers. Apple will suggest possible ID tied to those details. Make sure to try alternate emails you've used for subscriptions or receipts. Also search your inboxes for messages from Apple or receipts in Mail and Messages. Those contain the exact Apple ID. If you see multiple results, pick the one tied to purchase. Now confirm the Apple ID by signing in on your device or the Apple ID site. Complete two-factor authentication if enabled. If you can't sign in, choose Reset Password and follow steps using your trusted phone number or recovery email. Make sure you record the restored Apple ID in a secure password manager. If verification fails or account is locked, gather device serial numbers or proof of purchase and contact Apple support directly for account recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.